Ayurveda herbs that can help in hair growth, secret ways to use them effectively. Natural ways to grow hair. Ayurveda, an ancient medicinal system originating from India, presents a plethora of natural remedies to foster hair growth and sustain hair health. Numerous herbs utilized in Ayurvedic therapies are known to nourish the scalp, fortify hair follicles, and promote hair growth. Below are several Ayurvedic herbs renowned for their hair-enhancing attributes, along with undisclosed methods to maximize their effectiveness for optimal results. 1. Bhringraj. Bhringraj, renowned as the king of herbs for hair growth, is a potent Ayurvedic herb with a centuries-old reputation for promoting healthy hair. Abundant in nutrients such as iron, magnesium, and vitamin E, it nourishes the scalp and fortifies hair follicles. To harness its benefits, steep Bhringraj leaves in coconut or sesame oil, and gently massage the infused oil into your scalp before bedtime. Leave it on overnight to deeply nourish your hair, and rinse it off in the morning. Alternatively, create a hair mask by blending Bhringraj powder with yogurt and a few drops of lemon juice. Apply the mask to your scalp and hair, leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. 2. Amla. Amla, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, serves as a potent herb for enhancing hair growth and averting premature graying. It fortifies hair follicles, diminishes hair fall, and imparts a lustrous sheen to the hair. To utilize its benefits, simmer dried amla pieces in coconut oil until they darken. After straining the oil, apply it to your scalp and hair, leaving it on for several hours or overnight before rinsing it off. Additionally, incorporate amla juice into your regular diet to stimulate hair growth from within. Mix amla juice with water or other fruit juices for a refreshing beverage. 3. Neem. Neem is renowned for its antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory characteristics, rendering it a superb herb for preserving scalp health. It aids in dandruff treatment, alleviates scalp irritation, and fosters healthy hair growth. To utilize its benefits, boil neem leaves in water and allow the solution to cool. Employ it as a final rinse after shampooing your hair to calm the scalp and stimulate hair growth. Alternatively, create a paste by grinding neem leaves with water and apply it to your scalp. Let it sit for 30 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. 4. Methi. Fenugreek seeds are abundant in proteins and nicotinic acid, recognized for their ability to fortify hair follicles, prevent hair loss, and stimulate hair growth. Additionally, they aid in scalp moisturization and dandruff reduction. To harness their benefits, soak fenugreek seeds in water overnight and grind them into a paste the following morning. Combine the paste with yogurt and apply it to your scalp and hair, leaving it on for 30 minutes before rinsing it off. Alternatively, infuse fenugreek seeds in coconut oil and heat the mixture until it browns. After straining the oil, massage it into your scalp regularly to encourage hair growth. 5. Hibiscus. Hibiscus flowers boast a rich content of vitamins, amino acids, and antioxidants, making them an exceptional herb for fostering hair growth and reducing hair loss. They provide nourishment to the scalp, invigorate hair follicles, and enhance hair luster. Grind hibiscus flowers and leaves into a paste, then blend it with coconut oil or yogurt. Apply the mask to your scalp and hair, leaving it on for 30 minutes before rinsing off with lukewarm water. Alternatively, boil hibiscus flowers and leaves in water, strain the solution, and utilize it as a final rinse after shampooing your hair to encourage hair growth and alleviate dandruff. 6. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera is celebrated for its moisturizing, calming, and curative qualities, making it a superb herb for enhancing scalp health and fostering hair growth. It provides nourishment to the scalp, diminishes dandruff, and fortifies hair follicles. Extract fresh aloe vera gel from the plant and apply it directly onto your scalp and hair. Allow it to sit for 30 minutes to an hour before rinsing off with lukewarm water. Alternatively, combine aloe vera gel with coconut milk and a few drops of essential oil. Apply the mixture to your scalp and hair, leaving it on for 30 minutes before rinsing off with lukewarm water. 7. Brahmi. Brahmi is esteemed for its tranquil and revitalizing qualities, rendering it a commendable herb for enhancing hair growth and alleviating stress-related hair loss. It fortifies hair follicles, enhances scalp circulation, and nourishes hair from its roots to ends. To utilize its benefits, infuse Brahmi leaves in coconut or sesame oil and heat the mixture until it darkens. After straining the oil, massage it into your scalp regularly to stimulate hair growth and reduce hair fall. Alternatively, blend Brahmi powder with Amla powder and water to form a paste. Apply the paste to your scalp and hair, leaving it on for 30 minutes before rinsing off with lukewarm water. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.